हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ योर फ्रेंड हिमानी और आज मैं लेके बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। दिस इज़ अगेन फॉर फ्रेशर्स। दिस इज़ अ मेगा walk-in drive which is going on for a company which is an MNC. It is into financial, it is into healthcare domain also, and it is into IT services as well. So before going forward, let me introduce myself. So this side Himani, I am a full-time HR and a career consultant. I also post content related to HR, corporates, job, resume, LinkedIn, anything which is related to HR. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. I also give one-on-one session related to career queries and all. So अगर आपको मेरे से directly connect करना है, then you can please book a slot with me. The link is in below description. Now फटाफट से start करते हैं this opportunity. This is for Sutherland. मैंने पहले भी एक बार Sutherland के लिए opportunity post की है. This is again with the same company Sutherland. And they are looking out right now for Chennai location. Okay, so this is for Chennai people. If you are in Chennai and if you're looking out for a job, if you are a fresher, then this one is for you. So they have a mega walk-in drive which is going on for an international non-voice process. Okay, they have posted this opportunity 5 days before only, and they have 10 open positions. So you still have chances because still all the positions are not yet filled, I think, because just 4-5 दिन पहले ही post किया उन्होंने. It is for fresher, as I told you. Fresher with excellent verbal and written English communication skills, provide international semi-voice and non-voice customer support, work night या rotational shift, two-way cab service and transport facility is allowed and provided, right? So it is a rotational shift. So अगर आप okay है night shift के लिए, then आप apply कर सकते हो. So what are the documents required when you go on for a walk-in? 2 copies of your resume and a government issued ID, either Aadhaar card or your driving license. Whatever you have, you can carry it with you. As I told you, it is for an international non-voice customer support role and only freshers are welcome. If you have any experience, आप apply मत करना. Only freshers are welcome. Looking for freshers, required candidate profile is prospect candidate should have excellent verbal and written communication skill in English. This is mandatory, and anyone who is willing to work in the night or rotational shift with rotational weekly offs. Okay, two-way cab facility आपको provide की जाएगी. Work from office, two-way cab facility available up to 25 किलोमीटर radius from office based on the shift timing. So अगर आप office location से 25 किलोमीटर के radius में रहते हैं तो आपको cab facility मिल पाएगी. तो make sure you are staying, your residence is within 25 kilometers from the office of Sutherland in Chennai. इसके HR राउंड्स क्या क्या होंगे, सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस क्या है. फर्स्ट होगा वो इन HR इंटरव्यू. जब आप जाओगे तो HR राउंड होगा, फिर पैनल इंटरव्यू होगा और फिर एक बार वॉइस असेसमेंट. तो 3 राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरव्यू आर देर आर सम HR whose reference is given over here with the name and number. I will share everything in the description. You can get it from there. They have specifically mentioned do not bring laptops. So please note that when you are going for an interview in Sutherland and Chennai, please don't take your laptops because of course keeping laptops and you're not allowed to take laptops when you are going or entering for an interview. तो फिर आपको रखने के लिए दिक्कत होगी, तो better don't take your laptops over there. सारी डिटेल्स मैं शेयर करती हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में. आप अभी अप्लाई करो. सेंड इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग एंड दे आर ओपन टू सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन चेन्नई, और अगर वो भी फ्रेशर है तो. एंड फटाफट से अप्लाई करो. फॉर मोर सच रिलेटेड कंटेंट डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर इंटरव्यू.